Go take the car in there.
No.
Yeah, go. Go give him the car. Go give the car to Bubby. Go give the car to Bubby.
No.
Why?
It's cold.
But that's your car. Go give the car to Bubby. Go. Go give it to Bubby. Hey, go tell Bubby. Go tell Bubby. Stop it. Go in there and tell him. Stop it. Uh-oh, what?
Stop.
He stopped what?
He stopped it.
What is he doing?
I'm sorry.
Come here. What's happened? Come here. What happened?
No.
What happened? What's he doing?
Hug. Have a hug. Hug.
Jules, what did he do?
I'm sorry. I love you.
Did he scare you? He scared you? Oh, that's very sweet.
Kiss. What?
She wants you to go in there.
Run.
Right.